hello to all my friends out there. And so last month, my freezer was out of control. So what I did is I had a bunch of small bags of fruit, and so I threw all of those in one bag, and it's all conglomerated in here. There's all kinds of different kinds of fruit, and so at the time I did it, I had no idea what to do with it. But it comes to me. And so one of the followers said, you can see I have everything in there. I have strawberries, I have some kind of peaches, I have blueberries. So, okay, so what I want to make is I want to make a dump cake. But I don't want to make a big mess, and I want to be cheap. Okay, so there's my fruit. I even see a banana in there. Well, that's okay. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to add some water, and I'm going to cook this down, and normally I add between 1/3 and 1/4 cup sugar, but I just want to use, I had sugar in my sugar bowl, so now I want to cook this down, and then, when it's all cooked down and stirred together, I want to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then last time I made the dump cake, I had a lemon cake mix, so I'll just spread the lemon cake mix on the top, and I'll dot a little butter, and I'll bake 350, and I'll have a nice little dump cake. And then I still have the dessert topping, and so what's really good is it will all be in the same pan, and pretty soon I will have used up all my odds and ends, no wasting, and I will have created a really yummy dump cake. So I'll be back in a few minutes.